What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be doing a challenge. I don't think I've ever did a challenge on my channel, but me and my daughter, we seen James Charles do the challenge where he does his whole entire face and a whole entire look with his left hand. So we're going to just see. I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is going to go. We're just going to jump right into it. So first, we're going to prime. No, we're going to moisturize.
I know the time.
What?
It's time to take.
Alright, here go my right hand.
Come on, put your hand in there.
Alright.
Bye, left hand. Alright, have a nice time doing your challenge.
Oh my god, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so first we gotta moisturize. So we're gonna moisturize. How can I oh my god, I gotta open it. Alright. I'm just putting it on my face. Next, we got prime. Let me prime. Oh my god. Alright. I think I'm doing good so far. I didn't even get the foundation and you laughing. She a mess. So next, foundation. Oh my god. How I'm gonna do this? Oh, my hand is greasy now. How I'm gonna open this film?
Use your teeth.
Oh my god. I can't use that. I want to use this.
No. No, ma'am.
I'm about to use this for foundation.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm gonna have to.
Don't do it like that.
I don't even know if this really is my skin tone. So I gotta put this as foundation.
After you say how with the brushes.
I don't need to say it, but I had to use that as foundation. I'm looking a little light. Do I look cast out? Oh, this is a disaster. So now, here go the concealer. Like, this hand is starting to hurt.
King Sean didn't do that. He let his hand burn to the red. Like what?
Listen.
You're cheating.
No, I'm not cheating. I'm using my mouth.
Use your staple teeth. Use your hand.
Oh, I gotta open up everything with my mouth. You a hater.
I'm not a hater. I'm speaking so true.
I look pale.
You don't look that pale, but you definitely look like my skin color.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Say less.
Or say less. I'm about to fix it though. Like, I want my makeup to still be flawless. Alright, now I gotta do contour. I think I'm doing pretty good. It's going. Oh man, this is all over the place, is it? Blend the contour. Oh my god, this hurts your hand. Like, I ain't used to this. I want to use this hand so bad.
No, sir. Not me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
How did he contour with this whole hand? Oh my god. It is going horrible. I gotta bake. Oh god. It's giving me a very hard time. I was creasing almost. Oh god. Oh god, I had to hurry up and bake. Oh, oh man, this is hard. This is really hard. I hope my makeup look good, yo. Okay, now I gotta do my eyebrows. Oh my god, help me. Oh, and I use pomade too. Like, oh god. Oh my god. These brows gonna be a mess. Look how thick I did that. Oh my god. How that look? That look a mess. Oh,
they're smaller. One of them was bigger, one of them smaller.
Listen, they sisters, not twins. I want to use my other hand so bad.
Why can't you just put it on your face? Just put it on your eye.
Ew, this is how I'm doing it, y'all. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh man, this is hard. I gotta do an eye. Like he did like a real eye, like a shadow. So I gotta blend eyeshadow and stuff. Didn't I think he did a cut crease too? This is a challenge. I don't even know how this gonna come out. I think I need to do a bigger brush. I wonder how is the blending looking? I can't really tell.
It's looking good.
James Charles did a cut crease. So we gotta do a cut crease. I wanna darken my crease a little bit. This is so difficult. It's taking me forever. We're nervous about the cut crease, guys. So we're gonna be cutting the crease with this pink right here. And this is the Mima Mitchell P. Louise Acid Rain. And this is in the color Raver. And then we're gonna cut the crease. Oh my God. Yumi, I don't know if I can do it. Let me zoom y'all in. This is not easy at all.
No, it look good.
All right, now I'm gonna just take a light liner. You see me pushing myself? I'm trying to do all this stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna take this. This is like hard, like I'm ready to stop, kind of hard. Like I can't do it no more, I'm tired of it. Oh man, my arm even hurt. So now I'm going to use eyeliner. Oh man, that was a lot. All right, now I'm gonna put a lash on. Look at this shit.
What? Done.
These joints gonna be flicked. I'm gonna take some of this liquid gold and I'm going to fix my eye. Just had to clean that up. I'm gonna do an inner corner. Do a little lavender. So now I have this eye down. I'm gonna do this other eye for a whole hour and then we're gonna come back and do lip. All right, my boos, I am back. Oh man, it was a lot. So now we're gonna jump into highlight. This is the easiest thing I done did. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna put on some blush. All right, now we're gonna jump into lip. Man, so much better. All right, so now let me spray. Baby, challenging yourself is not a bad thing, okay? Like, even the blending, like, I did good, okay? Like, come on. And if you are loving the way this look came out, don't forget to smash that like button and leave me a comment down below. You already know. Also, my boo, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button because you don't want to miss my upcoming uploads, baby. We got some cool videos coming up, okay? So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.